We just unboxed our memory foam neck pillow. This pillow is so soft and squishy, and the cover is very smooth, almost silky. It came with this user manual that explains the 6 zones the pillow is designed with. So, depending if you are a side sleeper, stomach sleeper, or a back sleeper, it will support you as you require it. This user manual will explain how the pillow will help make your sleep more comfortable. And what I really appreciate about this pillow is that towards the back, there's a hidden zipper that lets you remove the cover so you can throw the cover into the wash. Just make sure you don't wash the actual memory foam pillow itself. The pillow is pretty thick, but it's also made of memory foam, so even if you squeeze it up and let it go, the pillow always bounces back into shape. This pillow essentially will never go flat. And as you can see, the pillow is designed with contours and it dips a bit in the center where you would place your head. In fact, the entire pillow conforms to the shape of your head, your neck, and the curve of your shoulders. And in case you're not a back sleeper, but more of a side or a stomach sleeper, there's even a padded ridge on either side of the pillow to place your arms while you're sleeping.